YouTube channel. I'm so excited to film this makeup challenge for you guys. So the makeup challenge is one dip makeup challenge, and in this I will be using every product only once on my face. So basically, if I'm using a foundation, it will be only one pump. If I'm using a primer, it will be only one spray, and exactly everything is just one. So I have to complete my full face in just one dip. So I'm so excited for this. Let's get into the video. For primer today, I'm using the colourbar Perfect Match Prime Water, and the bottle looks somewhat like this. So I get to spray it only once on my face. So let's do it. Oh, that's it. There's nothing on my face, but okay. So for foundation, I'm using the Super Stay Full Coverage 24 Hours Foundation, and the bottle is somewhat like this, and it is in the shade it's in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. So I'm going to take only one pump of this. Okay, let's do it. That's it. I get only this much foundation. Okay, we will try to cover our entire face in this much. Let's try. This foundation is very full coverage, that's why I've picked this one, so I can cover my face and at least get a little coverage. Not bad at all, you guys. One pump and so much coverage. I've not applied it near my eyes because I'm going to apply concealer over there, and I don't mind this finish at all. So let's get to concealer. And for concealer, I am using the infallible L'Oreal Full Wear More Than Concealer. The tube is like this. I'm going to dip it once and then no dipping. Okay, so please come out more. Yeah, so this is the part, and I'm just going to apply a little bit here on my eyelids. Okay, not bad. I get to use this. Look at that coverage. Look, so much difference. I love this concealer simply because of its coverage and the way it just highlights my entire T-zone and under eye area so well and covers all the darkness. So for powder, I'm taking the Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Light. I can only duck my beauty blender only once. So, God. That's all to cover my entire face. Okay, let's try. Okay, my face is almost set, but I'm sure I'll get crease lines because my mouth area is not set properly. But let's see if I do get or I don't. So for eyeshadow, I'm taking my most trusted palette. That's the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless eyeshadow palette. I love the color scheme in this, and the pigmentation is amazing. So I guess one dip will be enough to cover both my eyes if I use this palette. Okay, so for my first eyeshadow base, I'm going to use this color right here. That's the name, Sensational, and I'll apply it all over my lid. Okay, I get to do only one dip, so I'm not doing it again. Okay, so for my crease, I'm taking this shade right here and called Sweethearts, and I'll apply it in my crease. But first, I will only place it on my crease and then blend it, because I can't use it again. Okay. And now with a big fluffy blending brush, I'm going to swirl it in. Now I'll blend it inside. My eyes look as of now. And now I'm going to take this shade called Nymph. It's this very plumpy dark shade, and I'm going to deepen my outer corner. Like this, and I'm going to just blend it in the outer edges only, and I'm not going to take this color inside. And because of this, my eye has a good amount of shade range going outside. And now I'm just going to apply this white shade right here. It's called Hedonism, and I'm going to apply it in my inner corners. So I'm going to just dip it once, and I'm going to place it for now. I'm just going to place the white color, and now I'm just going to blend it, the pink. Surprisingly, I really like how my eyeshadow has turned out. But let's see how the rest of my makeup goes. I don't want to jinx anything. But yeah. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take this Shame Dark shade called Nymph and apply it. Only one swirl, and that's it. Just going to place the color for now. I'm going to take this glitter shade right here and apply it in my inner corners. One dip. That's it. So that's my eyeshadow look right there. I'm going to move on to my brows now. Now I'll just brush my eyebrows. For blush, I'm using this Nykaa's palette in the shade Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo. The shade Kali Cheek 02, and I'm using this pink shade right here. Swirling my brush only once in it, and I have that. I actually wanted to use another blush, but it was not matching my eye shade, the colored one, so I didn't. Nykaa's Moonshine 03 highlighter, and I'm using this one right here. One swirl, okay guys, only one swirl, and oh god. Okay, I guess that was enough. It's not like a blinding glow, but a very subtle one. I guess this works for me. Yay! I'm using the L'Oreal Paris's Rouge Signature Lipstick in the shade 121. I choose. I can remove it only once. That's it. Okay, that's the only lipstick I get. Okay, I guess this one dip was enough to cover my entire lip, and my makeup looks somewhat like this. So guys, with this we come to the end of the video. I really like how my makeup looks. I love how my eyeshadow has turned out. Also, it was an easy challenge, no doubt, but you just have to be very careful with the products you choose if you plan to play this challenge. And would I wear this look outside? Yes, I would definitely wear this look. I guess my lipstick is not complementing my eye that well, but I guess I can work with it now since I've applied it. But yeah, that's the end result, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. I love you guys, and Happy New Year. Bye. Mwah.